Greetings to all. This is Riyad Maruf Hassan, and you're watching A Sketch of the Sky Season 1 with another episode only on the Clippers. And today we have a duo, a father and daughter duo that is an amazing duo towards the world of creativity. As we, in the previous episode, we talked about creative people with creative personalities, but today we've got two personalities, a father and a daughter duo, and we got to learn today from an elder personality and a younger personality. And so let us not wait today and start the introduction. So we have first of all our honored Lakshmi Narayan Setu sir. So he is an amazing author, a motivational speaker, and he is, and you can say, an all-rounder. You can say, and he has been inspiring the youth, the upcoming generation that we call the uprising. And it's I'll always be speechless, and means there are a lot to talk about him. So sir, I warmly welcome you to our talk show, sir.
Oh, it's my pleasure and honor to be here actually, because I always, you guys have some wonderful set of people. You and Hasni is together, and I feel like I am out of this place when you guys are here actually.
So before introducing our second guest, first of all, I'd like to ask you first. I mean, how means are the coronavirus pandemic and creativity connections being a part of your lives?
Okay. See, always when there is a, challenges, when there is a problem, I always feel there is an opportunity exist actually. It is depends on, the way how you see the things. See, you put a curved line, okay? It is convex or concave. It is all depends on the way how you look at it actually. So every coin has two sides. We are all judgmental by seeing only one side. There is another side exists actually. So every problems as an opportunity exists. Probably some of them used as an opportunity, some of them see this as a problem. Probably we have seen it as an opportunity.
That is
The first step is born actually.
that is really true, sir. And just like I mentioned, Vince, you're such a motivational speaker, not for the audience, but also for me at my journey. And I've been motivated by what you say and how you encourage, especially the uprising I mentioned. Because, today we don't need to call the upcoming generation, we call it the uprising. And means there's growth, and means people, personalities, eminent personalities like you have been encouraging us. So thank you very much, sir.
It's my pleasure.
So now we'll be having our second guest, who is the means. Well, first of all, she is means the I say mention about a father and daughter duo, and she is a daughter, and she is just like her father, and all rounder you can say, and she is just 13 years old, and she's already a freelance writer and reporter for the Hindu Brainfit magazine, and just like her father, when there's a lot to count, and she is the founder of the First Step, and she has interviewed a lot of young achievers and to encourage them and to follow one motive, that is the first step matters. And just like your father, to talk about it, means really means I don't have words, because of means I've never seen means such a you can say father and daughter duo means doing such amazing things, and means you don't have words to praise or encourage. So without waiting, so Hasini, I welcome you. So we have Hasini Lakshmi Narayanan here.
Okay, first off, hi everybody. Thank you so much for inviting me for Sketch of the Sky. That too, along with my dad. See, usually, I've done couple of, many interviews as such, and he's there probably for every single video. At least he tries to connect, even if it's not possible. But surprising the fact that we both are connected, in the same call today, and I'm I'm actually nervous because both of us we have, like, of course, different opinions, but he always makes the right choice. But of course, he also pays attention to what I think or what I vision, and he tells me what's right or wrong. And more or less, this is very special to me. And yeah, thank you so much for inviting me. I've been waiting for this call, that's Sketch of the Sky, because I've been looking up to it for so long right now. And yeah, that's my pleasure being here. And lockdown, of course, I guess you would know this, commonly, because both of us, we started at the same time. We both belong to the same age as well, and you also started off with the pandemic as like I did.
Yeah.
And yeah, as like my dad mentioned, right? I just looked for an opportunity which was totally unexpected. I never imagined to be in such a position, which I am now today, being an entrepreneur, or being a writer as well. I was a public speaker, which I eventually developed for me to be so. And I guess things just happened. It's magic. Just that I get to put in my efforts to it. So I'm thankful that this time had to come. More or less, we get to spend more time with family. That's one thing which is good about the pandemic. Even though my dad is still busy, but I, like, not only me, but especially my little sister, right? She get to spend like plenty time with my dad, as hardly before the pandemic, we just meet him in the morning, then probably he goes to work and he comes late. So having the pandemic, like, we get to know about each other, and especially getting into the same field. Like, I guess I'm blessed, because I get to know from an experienced people, like, from an experienced person, on what I should probably choose next, or what I should probably do next. So yeah, I guess that justifies your answer, the question itself.
Yeah, and it's because means I was preparing for a question now, but means you just answered it, just like you can say a
I'm
swift
sorry.
a swift went away. So means the you can say the means you can say a complete wind of knowledge just flew away. I can just relate
No,
now.
I just got way too excited, and sorry about that.
So now I'd like to ask both now. Means there is a question we always want to know, that how means does the duo's daily creative routine goes on in the pandemic. So I'll start with Lakshmi sir.
Yeah. What is the question again? Sorry.
Yes sir. So means there is a question we always means wanted to, means we are eager to know, that is how does means the duo's daily creative routine goes on in the pandemic.
Oh, okay. See the, I mean, like, see how is the creativity bonds is either because of the situation, or it is a, uh, I mean, like, it is a need. Okay. See, we are contemplating whether is this a time to be considered as one more holiday, or you wanted to really use this as a, I mean, useful manner. That's how the discussion started. Uh, uh, I mean, like, when the discussion started, I always look for something which has to be create value for others, actually, because, like, generally I mean, you do something, there must be a purpose behind it, actually. There must be I mean, when you do something, there must be a meaning behind for some act, actually. You should not do something for the sake of doing it, actually. It should create some value. I mean, when you leave this place, I mean, when you leave this world, you should leave something to that younger generation, or you should create something which is, like, which is really tangible, actually. So we felt something, we wanted to do something for the youth. So that is the time we felt there is a lot of opportunity, because there is a lot of time. And I mean, this is the best time where you can connect with to the world. So that is where the discussion started. And probably say, like, I mean, if you talk about, uh, there are so many things actually born because of challenges. Because of, I mean, if you talk about, like, today we have invented vaccination for COVID-19, because in a shorter time, because the need. Otherwise, like, normally the vaccination for a disease takes about years. Within about, like, months, people are able to invent vaccination. So whenever there is a challenge, people work towards it. Creativity happens actually. So that's how the same thing has happened. I mean, like, in these pandemic, actually, the first step is born. Hasni was like, able to do, I mean, with whatever the inputs which you are able to take it from people, and she put it together, and the baby was born to this world actually. Today, the baby was 1 year old, but it taken up many steps, and still, I'm not sure whether it is uh, able to run, but it is able to walk at least actually.
That
Yeah,
is
true.
an say amazing to start up, and I'm really honored actually to say that means I was also one of part of the first time interviews, and when that was the first interaction with Hasini, then also with you, sir, and means you can see that empowered me, and also especially I told you means you have all not only motivated means the people out there, you have also motivated me, and because I got to learn a lot from you, sir, and also from Hasini, and just like we say, I mean, just like you say that the first step matters, and even 2 months ago, I guess, I and Hasini collaborated for an event. The Hasini's topic was no failure, only feedback, and it's such wonderful topics, and because means you means today we means I thought means interviewing you or interviewing Hasini, then I thought it means let us put the duo together today to means talk about and different things to interact, because I've never means interviewed in my talk show with two people together, but yes, it just you can say forced me to do that. And Hasini, means what's your daily routine? I mean, daily creative routine.
My okay. Create okay. See, usually I am the one probably talking like inspirational stuff, but as he probably, we more or less talk on the same, okay? Because I literally talk every single thing or seek inspiration and that content as well from him. Because see, I won't say it's only me myself who's the founder of the first step. The credit goes to him because I have a team of 12 children, and of course to the team as well. I'm also including them, especially Akshat and Kritik, who's doing a great job, and also all of the other writers who are part of the team. And he ensures that everything is going smoothly. Till when I started, till now, I guess it's only like 20% of the role is played by me. That's leading the team, and probably he also does 100% work in that as well. So that's probably like one good thing which is like I can proudly say as well. And also I'm a little lazy, um, to look over things, but he is not that, right? He is way more experienced, and he's very concerned that I get to experience everything. Now
Yeah,
talking about routine. So before the pandemic, like we, even my mom as well. We get to see him at least like only in the mornings. Like we have school at 8:30 or something. We wake up by that time. I mean, before we wake up itself, we probably go to the badminton court. He would come back. I would come down for my transport. I would see him, and I'd probably leave to school. So then at nights, it's not very easy to meet him. Like probably he's busy most of the times. So we'd probably sleep by the time he comes home. So, it's hard. Probably we would meet up on Sundays, we would spend time. But pandemic, of course, it has helped us a lot. Even though, there were quite a lot of things which we had to lose during the pandemic. Is like my dad lost his dad. My mom also lost her dad. I lost both of my grandfathers. But there are a lot more things which happened great in this pandemic. That's his book launch. He launched his new book called you want to say it?
Sales
Probably
success
Sales
secrets.
Success
yeah,
Secrets.
we're going to talk
Right.
about it because I mean
True.
I'm
And
excited.
I
Yeah,
launched the first step. So one good thing, like I should probably mention this. My granddad was admitted in hospital the same day my dad did his book launch with all of those positive energy. So I look up to him, and my daily routine will probably interacting with a lot of people. creative routine. So of course we took it positively, and I guess that is only possible because both my dad and my mom, my whole family is positive and also encouraging about things I do. So yeah, I seek inspiration from them, try to make it as creativity, as I always say, right? I ensure whatever I do gives me happiness, first off. So I guess that's where creativity is born for me, being a 13-year-old. So whenever you do stuff which you're, which you feel comfortable doing, which you feel, which gives you happiness, of course, you are going to be creative and you are going to be a master in it. So yeah, it would be interacting with a lot of people on a daily basis, and of course, as teenagers, we have online school, and probably interacting with a lot of my friends, and getting yelled at. Not, I mean, I like it, of course, because it tends to help me correct my mistakes. So yeah, that's probably my routine.
And maybe if you question now yourself, that means why I took you both today here. You're going to means you're getting the reasons, because it's different. Yeah, different. You can say you can say there's different means opinions that means an interaction, a fun interaction, means especially interaction of creativity connection. And so we are
Yeah.
means forming you can say a creativity triangle today to talk about different corners of the triangle, and it's just
True.
expanding. So Hasini, as you
Amazing metaphor.
thank you sir.
I said amazing metaphor. Yeah, yeah. Very good
Thank you,
metaphor. Yeah.
thank you sir. And as Hasini, you talked about creativity, so this is for you. That means creativity, there is a quote by a great personality, that's creativity is intelligence having fun. So do you means how do you justify this quote in your day-to-day
Of
life?
course, true. See, I said, right, whenever you feel happy about doing something, that's where creativity is born. Whenever you're passionate about doing something, that is where creativity is born. uh Fun, of course. When you are gonna do something which you feel happy about, you're gonna have fun there. See, this interaction, I find it very fun because it gives me happiness. It's the first time where me and my dad are on the same, talk line, with you especially in the sketch of the sky, which is more special. So yeah, I mean, this, it's not exactly like, it gives me happiness, of course, but creativity in sense like me exposing myself, right? That's me showcasing all of my talents to other people by hosting, by doing sessions. So on a day-to-day basis, as I say, that's one thing which I can relate to public speaking. But apart from that, I'm an artist, if I can probably say,
Yeah,
as their, arts is like one big stress buster for me. Like I can do arts whenever I'm bored, whenever I'm sad, whenever I'm happy, whenever I feel lonely, anytime, right? I don't need a particular reason for me to do arts.
means you feel that
So
means
that,
art is an emotion
of course,
to
art
express
is
your
an
thoughts.
emotion. Yeah. Because I enjoy doing it. That's one thing. As like I do with, probably hosting, probably talking with people like you, and yeah, that gives, that's where I guess creativity probably takes place in my life, as and that as well. And probably my little sister, uh, I learn a lot from her. See, I probably have to mention, as this is like more, everybody's gonna watch this, especially in my family. So I want to mention, she more or less is not gonna understand, but she'd say one thing, that Akka, you did super, which I look for. So she is annoying, I know that. But apart from that, she's very sweet. See, whenever I'm going to yell at her, one time she'll be like angry and she'll probably walk away. She'll come back to me. I'm like, sorry. That's one good thing which I learn about her. And she's very positive, and I like how that she stands for her choices. She doesn't give up so easily. See, that might sound silly, but it is serious. See, if she wants something, she's adamant about it. She wants it, and she doesn't look over any other things which is going to be alternatively not equal to it, or even if it is going to be better than that toy, she's going to choose for what she chooses. So I like that quality about that. And yeah, she's even more talented than what I am. And probably this is not even related to the question, but I'm sorry, I wanted to mention
No,
it.
it's because,
And as like I did.
yeah, great to
So yeah,
especially,
creativity.
yeah. You may continue.
No, I'm sorry. We had that habit earlier and we do have it,
Yeah.
which I'm sorry,
Yeah,
just
you
interrupting
talked
each
about
other.
fun, and we had fun means before when we means co-hosted before, and means I still
Yeah,
remember means 2 months, 2 or 3 months, 2 months ago. Yeah. So
probably.
yeah,
I
so
guess what
yeah,
like connection we both have along with Manasi, like we both make a good trio, if I can probably say, because we both belong to the same age group. We both
and
started out
have a
same.
habit
We
of
both
interrupting
questioned
each
for the
other.
same. Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
But we don't find that with Manasi. And I guess we've all hosted, shows together. We've all been guests together.
That is
We've all been
that is just
part
the
of
quote I have said now, means creativity is intelligence having fun. And means
fun.
if
True.
if the question goes to me, I means say whatever you say, then means it's just relatable to means my guest here today is you, because we
Especially when all of us belong to the same age category, it's more fun because we are a group of teenagers who just, we like what we are doing. We do it for a cause, and at the same time, we are helpful to each other. And probably, if I can say, if I'm helpful, and also that it gives us happiness, and also we make others happy, even if I can say that probably. So yeah, it ultimately creativity, which is going to give you fun. So
yeah, that is just great. And sir, means as a father and also an eminent personality, you've been a prominent figure in Hasini's journey. So can you say some lines, means what you feel about her journey?
right.
Okay, I mean, probably the one metaphor I mean, say is when a child, I mean, like, born, always the child, when they are young, you feel, I mean, like, more joyful. Though the child, I mean, fall down on the floor many times, still you feel happy about it. It is like the same thing, same feel actually. I know there is a lot of struggles, a lot of hurdles, and every time, say, like, it passes through the, I mean, like, the next stage. As a father, definitely feel good. At the same time, as a father, has a responsibility to ensure the child gets up and walks. The child gets up and, I mean, like, ready for tomorrow's. I mean, like, when the time the child falls, it it adds strength to their leg so that it will be ready to run for tomorrow. So you never allow the child to say, like, if the child is not falling down, they may not have the strength to run tomorrow. So I mean, probably I'm I don't know whether I need to say whether I'm sure, I'm not sure, but I'm to a greater extent say, like, as a father, I'm doing the job. That's what I believe actually.
That was,
So the journey is like, definitely I enjoy it, as the way she enjoys too. Actually, I believe she enjoys too. Actually.
that is you can
Yeah,
say great journey.
of
And
course.
yeah, I can means when I question you, means I can see Hasini smiling since that moment. And yeah, because and especially means you get Hasini, you get I'm saying this to you, that you get praises from uh, or you get I mean encouragement from a lot of eminent personalities you've got. But means today as a father, you've got means you can say that always stays a blessing to you, means more than an
Of
encouragement, it
course,
stays as a blessing to you. And it's
of course.
yeah.
See,
And
it's like more emotional as yeah. I'm sorry to interrupt again.
yeah,
It's like
we just feel about the habit.
but yeah, just like that, I have probably talked about him, separately. Of course, he would be watching me, but he wouldn't come on board as like he does. He would of course have talked about me in shows or some, probably live events, but I wouldn't be there to watch it live. But now it's like so special, like usually, if you go off camera, I mean, even when it's probably recording, he is very open. Like, one good quality which I like, he'll be very exposive. If I'm doing something wrong, he'll be like, no, this is wrong, do it again. And I'll probably like, I know what I'm doing is right. Then I'll probably like, no, you're doing it wrong. Then I'll again do it. So, I mean, of course, it's, you do a great job as a dad, if I can say. Yeah, that's one good thing. But yeah, good to know. I mean, I guess I'm lucky in a way that, you know, I am following his footsteps, as I also want to become an entrepreneur. I am a public speaker, if I can say. And yeah, writing as well. It comes from him because since I was young, right, I've been a very pampered kid. Like, not right now, of course, because I have a little sister. But yeah, I am still pampered, I would say that, because I am the youngest. Like, when you look at a stage, I was the youngest. And yeah, I've been so pampered, and I used to travel a lot along with my dad whenever there's an event, or probably possibly anything, because I was very involved into this. So more or less, it's very special. So I would have to thank you first for giving us this opportunity to probably.
No, if I did this interview a little before, I would have launched it on Father's Day, to be true. Because if I did, yeah, did it a little before, but it's maybe this 1st September, when means the next episode, we'll be launching this episode. The date, it will be a special day, a remarkable one. So Hasini, I can come to you. That can you tell us more about, as you Lakshmi sir said, as you talked about the first step matters, and Lakshmi sir took out you took the first step in with Lakshmi sir, and then can you talk about the organization, the amazing organization you two have
Okay.
founded, the first step?
Okay. Yeah, of course. I mean, it was founded by me, but just to let you know that, the work was distributively by my dad, my whole family who supported me, and of course, CIT who had helped me to reach up this point, and my team, of course. The credit goes to them as well, for doing a great job till date. About the organization is, we, that me as well as along with the team, we inspire to motivate, empower, and inspire children. That's by interviewing young achievers, and just to probably, the message is to initiate your first step at a young age, to provide them some motivation and inspiration from our end. So that's the motto behind the first step. That's how I started. But we initially, like, for the first 2 or probably a month, we didn't have a plan to organize this, probably just that I was doing interviews. And I mean, like, we never thought that we'll launch a new website, we'll have a blog page. It was just like a small idea which eventually turned out to be a blast, if I can say. So that's how I started. And yeah, as I mentioned, we have our own website called www.thefirststephasini.com, where we post our blogs. And also, people can refer to videos of mine, as people have more I mean, like, people have priorities, right? Some would want to read, some would want to watch or see videos. And also, we wanted to make it easily accessible to people. So that's another thing which, it's my own initiative, which involves, of course, many more people's suggestions and hard works behind it. And apart from that, we launched a new series called The World of Seven Lines, where a successful personality's journey is just shared in 7 lines, particularly. Seven is like a one, probably a lucky or a common number, if I can refer to. The initial idea was Tirukural, right? I'm not sure if you know what Tirukural is. Tirukural is, a powerful statement where it only has 7 words in it. So that was the main aim, but we can also refer it to the 7 wonders of the world. So that's another thing. And seven, probably it's like a very common number, if I can say. I guess you can probably relate to it. Lionel Messi, Dhoni, so many stuff. Seven is like, one trending, or probably, one common number. And not only that, but we found that this is going to work out and suit the best. So that's pretty much it about World of Seven Lines. And apart from this, I do sessions. First Step Matters, to schools, colleges, and sometimes even to parents, which basically deals about the importance of the first step and some motivation, like probably as you mentioned, there are no failures, only feedback, and a lot more other stuff. Talking about Ultimate Success Formula and all the other inspirational content, which I probably share pretty much everywhere. So yeah, that's it.
That is really amazing. So thank you very much for that.